Ayan, look. Hello viewers, Shamshad here. Today I will show you how to wash a car. That's a car getting washed. Ayan's learning how to wash a car. Yeah, Ayan, look. The man is putting a soap on the car. We got very dirty car today because it's been snow and the salt everywhere. So my taxi was very dirty. So I could be in trouble if I'm not washing it. So you better wash it. It's car in front. It's very satisfying to see a car getting washed. Yes. Their price is good as well, £5. And I got the permission from the gentleman. He said, yeah, you can make a video. So, is I allowed to make the video? Yeah? Thanks very much. You be on a Facebook or YouTube. You want me to move further? Right, okay. We will go further. Right. Break down, Shamshad ji. Right. Pakistan shop. We will go Pakistani shop after washing our car. Look, it's still snow everywhere as well.
Snow everywhere.
See, in this kind of weather, car get dirty so easily. Car gandi ho jati. Right. While he is washing the car, do you know your sabak? Huh? You know your lesson?
Yes.
Can you tell me what's your sabak? What is it? Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Okay, I'll take you to Pakistani shop now to treat you, right? Okay. ये देखें जी बंदा कार वॉश कर रहा है वो बंदा पैसे दे रहा है और रिश्वत नहीं दे रहा हाँ what's that? You made a mess. Leave it.
What is that?
Just
I can't get it off.
what do you want?
It's not letting me get it off. It's not letting me get it off. Ah!
Car wash.
Cow off.
Car wash. We will get then our car will be very much neat and clean.
Yeah,
They are getting balloting as well. Ooh. First they put the soap and now they are washing. I think they will put the soap once again.
that's loud, isn't it?
Yeah. And they made a replace their deli so you can get some sandwiches. पाकिस्तान में जो बाल्टी च पानी भर के ते स्पंज दे नाल आपे गड्डी धो लैंदी है and here we get like this and automatic car wash भी ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਧੋ ਕੇ ਪਰਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਸਿੱਧਾ hand car wash is the best. What do you think, Smina? Yeah, I'm taking kids out for the shopping कराइए. It's a lockdown but they need some household stuff so I'm taking them out to get some household stuff. Car in front of me. They washed it. I think it's getting polished. Thank you for putting words in my mouth. So it's getting polished. Yeah. This car wash is very convenient to me. So I can stay at work as well while they wash the car. तो मेरी जॉब आती है तो मैं विच दौड़ के चली जाती हूँ I like BMW. BMW is fast car. I want BMW and a Mercedes. मैंने हर साल Skoda मिल जाती है because Skoda gives very good mileage for taxi. So मेरी किस्मत चंगी कार पता नहीं कदों होनी है. I'm always getting bloody Skoda every year. अच्छा. Okay, right. His name? A gentleman. He's washing the car.
What is that?
Huh? His name? Who's this hat? That's my grandson Ayan. What's your name? Ayan. How old are you? You're 10-year-old? 4-year-old. 4-year-old. Okay ji. ਇਹਨੇ ਧੋ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ then he will dry it ਨਹੀਂ
Is the cow
ah
done now?
he's washing the wheels now ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਉਹ ਬਥੇਰੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ thank you
Is the cow done?
sometimes the engine dry that's a bit scary bit when they put the soap all over kids don't like it Hannah yeah dirty car so they need 2-3 people and they are doing the soap more than once ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਧੋਣੇ ਹੋਣ 2-3 ਵਾਰੀ ਸਰਫ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ so you put the soap 2-3 times less in length so they're going to charge me double as well then shabash 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 see hand wash is the best you prefer automatic wash or hand wash Smina
Well, automatic's faster, but if you need to get in the nitty-gritty, get all the dirt off, then you need to definitely go both.
yeah
Don't want to miss anything on it.
yeah so the lesson learned today that hand wash car is best and we should wash car regularly ठीक है don't leave it too long otherwise it will take double time and maybe he will charge me double as well